I am not a SEBI registered analyst. The information provided here is purely for educational and study purposes. It is not intended to be financial advice or a recommendation for any investment or trading decisions. Please consult with a SEBI registered advisor or conduct your own research before making any financial decisions. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, RVNL, Key Points. Founded in 2003 by the Government of India. Implements rail infrastructure projects for the Ministry of Railways, More. Business overview. Projects: doubling, gauge conversion, new lines, electrification, bridges, workshops, and production units. Major projects completed in FY23: 1,343 kilometers of new lines, doubling, and electrification. Revenue share FY23. Non-metro projects, 83%. Metro projects, 9%. Zonal railways projects, 8%. Key projects completed in FY23: 1,343 kilometers of rail lines including new lines, doubling, and electrification. Metro, Joka Taratala, 13 kilometers, and New Garia Hemanta Mukherjee, 11 kilometers, sections. Order book Q3 FY24. Total, 65,000 crore rupees. Railways projects, 32,000 crore rupees. Vande Bharat, 9,000 crore rupees. Metro, 7,000 crore rupees. Investments, total, 2,063 crore rupees, mainly in J visas of Q2 FY24. Contingent liabilities, total, 3,276 crore rupees due to arbitration and court cases. Offer for sale, July 2023. GOI sold 5.36% stake. Current GOI stake, 72.84%. Pros. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 33.4%. Company's median sales growth is 26.2% of last 10 years. Cons. Stock is trading at 10.3 times its book value. Earnings include another income of 1,183 crore rupees. Promoter holding has decreased over last 3 years, minus 5.37%. Quarterly results as follow. Quarter on quarter we see a growth operating profit and net profit. Profit and loss year on year as follow. We profit growing each year will growth of operating profit and net profit. Rounding bottom up. Regarding Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, RVNL, it appears there is a breakout of the rounding bottom up trend at 342, with an expected target of 447,476 and 557 respectively. Disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered analyst. The information provided here is purely for educational and study purposes. It is not intended to be financial advice or a recommendation for any investment or trading decisions. Please consult with a SEBI registered advisor or conduct your own research before making any financial decisions.